Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Easy Art, where you can learn to pretty much draw anything and we make it easy, okay? Now, today we're gonna draw Frankenstein. Ooh. It's October, Halloween time, costumes, scary stuff, so we're gonna draw a nice, scary, easy Frankenstein today. Okay, so make sure you guys are prepared for art. You have your piece of paper or something to draw on. Make sure you have a nice sharp pencil. Make sure you have a black marker or some sort of outline if you want. And then any sort of colors that you guys want to use. I'm going to be using all kinds of cool colors today. Some purple, green, some grays and blacks for our Frankenstein. Alright, so just have all that stuff ready. And whenever, here we go. Alright, so for this one, I think I'm going to turn my paper this way today, okay, the long way, because Frankenstein has that big tall head and kind of a skinny, kind of a tall body, so we're going to do that today. So, but you guys can do whatever you want to do. Alright, so right here is going to be where his head is, and he's got kind of like a rectangular shaped head. So we're going to start about a little bit above the middle of our paper here. And we're gonna just start with a line straight up, line straight up, and then when you get to the top, we're gonna curve it, so it's just a rounded corner on a rectangle, basically. Okay, we're gonna come straight across. This is how wide your Frankenstein head is gonna be. I think that's pretty good. And then we're gonna curve again, curved edge, and then straight down, parallel and equal with the other side. Okay, cool. All right, now we're gonna put some ears on the guy right here. So right here, a small little ear. And over here, same thing, like a C shape. And then our chin is going to kind of mimic our head, but just a little bit shorter. Okay, so we're going to go straight line down. Not too far. Another straight line down on this side. And then we're just going to curve it in. Right? And then straight across. Connect those lines. Ooh, I might have to erase here. No worries, guys. That's why we have a pencil. No worries, that's fine. Okay, so we have a basic shape of his head, as you guys can see here. Let's put some lines in his ears here. Little C shapes, just to kind of give some more details. Alright, let's do his hair. So we're just going to do some zigzags up and down for his hair here. Start on the side, piece here, down, up. You can vary up and down your lengths of how long his hair is, like that there, short and tall, to kind of give it some more cool look. Up and down, and then end it. Perfect. Some good hair for our Frankenstein. Now, remember, Frankenstein had his head cut open and they messed with his brain, so we're gonna draw that line to show he was sewed back together. Ooh. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna draw kind of a curved line here to kind of show it's his forehead. It's a curved line. Not totally straight, just slightly curved. You guys can see that. Alright. And that's his stitches. That's his cut. That's where they cut him open. So we're gonna have some small curved lines, like an open C shape, like that, for the stitches. Okay, when you get to the middle, we're gonna start curving them the other way, because it's the other side of his head, right? Awesome. There we go. Now let's do his eyes. So we'll just do he's kind of like, he's not very smart. They messed with his brain, right? So his eyes, we're going to put them right above his ears here. Just above his ears. So we're going to make him look kind of funny. So we have a circle eye here. And now we're gonna give him those eyelids to make him look like he's a little bit out of it. Straight across. Line straight across. There we go. And then just a little pupil, a little middle of his eye, color it in if you want. We'll color over it with a marker anyways, but it makes it look good. There you go. And then his nose, we'll just do a nice curve, like an upside down C. Like that. And now for his mouth, we'll do kind of a not a mad mouth, but just kind of a not really no emotion mouth. So we'll just do a slight curve up and straight across, and then a slight curve down, so just like that. And I'm gonna give him a one tooth coming up from the bottom, straight up, like a rectangle shape, right there. Done. I think he looks pretty good. All right, here we go. Let's do his neck, and remember he's got those bolts in his neck, so we're gonna do that. So we'll just draw some right about the other opposite sides of his nose and his eyes. We'll draw his neck. So 2 lines straight down, and then right here we'll draw the bolts. So line out, line out. I always try to kind of keep them even. And then we're just gonna make like another little rectangle on the outside here. Right? Up, over, down, over, up. Up, over, down, over, up. And then straight back in. Straight back in. Now these lines can go straight down, no worries, because that bolt is in his neck. We're gonna give him a little line to show his throat or his neck right there. Kind of an upside down C again. And then for the bolt, let's draw a line here to close it to show it's a bolt. Okay, and then some lines here to show the thread of the bolt, just all together. There we go. Now, just here, we'll draw some horizontal lines, 2. One here, one here, one here, and one here. It'll just kind of show that it's a bolt, like those hexagon-shaped bolts. Okay? Now, I'm going to end it at his shoulders, but you guys can obviously try to draw his whole body if you want. It's absolutely fine. So I'm just going to start here, and we're going to do a curved shape down for his shoulder. Okay? Just like that. Another one here for his shoulders. And now his shirt is going to be kind of torn and ripped, so we're going to just do those zigzags again. Big, small, however you guys want to do it. There we go. And that'll be the end. We'll stop there. Okay? Awesome. I think our Frankenstein looks so cool. Ooh, let's give him just some eyebrows here. Eyebrow, eyebrow. There we go. Now, you can make him mean if you want, guys. You can put the eyebrows down, right? And kind of give him a mean shape, or up to make him happy, whatever. All right, play around with it. It's fun. All right, so we're gonna fast forward through it. I'm gonna do the outline with my Sharpie and then color Frankenstein. So we're gonna fast forward through everything real quick, and we'll be back when I'm done. All right, happy coloring. All right, guys, we are all done with our spooky Frankenstein, and that was super easy, wasn't it? Now, I hope you guys have a good Halloween and you have a good rest of your day, okay? Now, just take it easy.